I don't know about you, but I have a dozen cracks and chips in the glazed ceramic tile in my kitchen, and I don't want to rip and replace it all. That's going to be really expensive, time consuming, and to make my kitchen a war zone. So instead, we are going to do a quick and easy repair using Grout Renew by Polyblend. This is a $20 product from Home Depot. It is a colorant and epoxy sealer. My name is Meg. I have a lifestyle blog called Misguided. This is our first video, so if this information is helpful, please do like and subscribe. It'll help us out a lot as we get started with this launch. Is a warm off-white called Bone. There is a bright white color that's a true natural white, like the sweatshirt. I have heard of others adding acrylic paint to that color to color it like to a blue or green. This is really only available in neutrals, from the bright white, which is available in like a warm and cool, to a tan into a brown color. But you can try to color it differently to match your tile. If you do, please do let us know how that works out in the comments. I also recommend testing this out in an inconspicuous spot. I tested it in the back of a well-used closet, so you wouldn't really see where I was testing. It works great. You could touch it up, 24 hours after you put it down. So if you missed anything, it still wipes up really easily with a damp rag. And it's really affordable and dries quickly. It's easy to use. 10 out of 10, highly recommend it. So without any further delay, let's go up, let's clean the space with some sort of TSP or degreaser like crud cutter, let it dry, and then get started with the repair.